Goa is known for nightlife. At what cost? Should the locals suffer? We have traveled, I myself have traveled around the world. I have seen nowhere in the world, even earlier Thailand was known for night parties. Even Thailand has stopped that now. You can only hear music indoors in clubs and discos. So please don't say that Goa is a tourist destination and music is the basic need to promote tourism. It is not so. Music can be played. There are discos, so we are not stopping the discos. There are nightclubs, so you can go there and listen to the music. We, the locals, also need some rest, peace of mind. So that is all what I want to say. I don't want to say that without, I want to say that without tourism, without the music, the tourism is not going to suffer. Yes, in the last few days, since we stopped the music, we are getting better customers. Customers who come and sit and eat and drink. But before that, when the loud music was played, people, the riff-raff tourists would come, just dance and then go away. Once the music stopped, sometimes you see a shack that is playing music, there are 50, 100 people in the shack. But when the music stops, the whole shack is empty, they have disappeared. So if these 100 people were dancing in the shack, they should have been sitting in the shack after the music stops, and the business should have continued, but no. So now we see for the last 7 days that the business is also improving. People have complained to us in the past saying that we don't want to come to Baga because there's so much loud music, we can't even sit or call our friends for a dinner out because the noise is so loud, we can't sit, we can't have a conversation. So this is a basic need that when you come to the beach, you should be able to sit, have a conversation, have a drink, and eat food. If you want loud music, definitely yes, there are discos and clubs where you can go and break your eardrums until 6 o'clock in the morning. Because they have permission to play music until 4, 5, 6 in the morning. So you can go and listen and dance to loud music. Nobody is stopping you there. So when you say nightlife, nightlife does not mean just music on the beach. Yes, you can have food, drinks, relax, have a nice enjoyment on the beach.
See what has happened, the music starts at 6 o'clock and at high decibel. But from Monday onwards, to my surprise, by 10, there was silence after that.
This week from Monday onwards?
From Monday onwards.
Before that there was happening a lot of noise?
Yeah, right after the morning. I would complain every day to number 100. They would come take some action and then the music would go on after they had left.